back to another episode of Growing with Lalascrops. We have some action, you guys. So today I wanted to give you an update on how the vegetables are doing. Well, vegetables and flowers are doing. You guys look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. These are the wildflower mix that I planted. I have to figure out when I planted them. Some of them have bloomed. I did not know that zinnias produced another stem to give more flowers. So I'm excited about that because I was like, oh, am I going to have enough? Like, this is my first time growing zinnias, just to let you know. So I didn't know what to expect, but I'm loving them so far. I am loving them. So I have a pink color in here. I think this is going to be the lime or white, or lime and white. I'm not sure yet, but it's definitely white. But it looks like it has a little lime in it too. Sunflower, of course. Some more zinnias. I have an orange. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I forgot yellow. Yellow right here. It's so pretty. And another pink one. So this is going to be another yellow one right here. Of course, pink. Looks like pink. This may be a little darker, like a burgundy. So I have some more back here, right there, another pink one right here. My echinacea plants are doing okay. I harvested quite a few leaves off of here so that I can make my sister some tea when she came for my birthday weekend. I forgot to tell you guys that my birthday was October 3rd. So yeah, so I made her some tea using some of the echinacea flowers. I'm not sure what, I probably need to cut this one off. This one is probably, done with. So yeah, I did prune the pentas so that more air circulation can get to the plant. And then I did prune my echinacea. So moving on to this raised bed, that the corn is up, you guys. So I'm hoping that they get done before, the cool weather really sets in here in Tampa, Florida. So as I showed you guys in the maintenance Monday, the beans are coming up, are germinating. There's one right here, and then like 3 inside of here. And then of course I told you guys I planted some around the outside perimeter, which you see right here. They are coming up right here, right there, and then I planted some along back there. The wildflower mix back here is doing pretty good. I do want to get back there and thin some out, but I'm gonna let them grow a little bit more before I do so. My borage is, it's doing this thing. I'm trying to make sure that I monitor them, especially since they're still young and, trying to grow. So yeah, but the pole beans, I showed you guys that I have flowers. Oh, I need to wind this or have this one go around the trellis. Oh, look at this little beam coming in, you guys. Make sure. I'm excited. So I got a beam right there. I wanted to plant some more so that, I can make sure that I have enough beans when I'm ready to harvest and cook with. So yeah, I'm really excited about the corn already up, doing its thing. And I will be fertilizing today, you guys. Just another sunflower right on the other side of the 5 raised bed, and some more zinnias and some more flowers right here. I did show you guys the cucumbers also. Let's pick these up. Let's see. Yeah, nothing in here. Maybe they just done doing its thing. But look at this cucumber coming in right here. I already showed you guys that one. Yeah, I'm just, just monitoring the cucumber plants especially. but they are starting to develop cucumbers for us. So if you didn't see my previous video, I did mention that this type of variety is self-pollinating. Well, the female flower anyway, is self-pollinating, so I don't have to worry about hand pollinating or, you know, the need of bees, which is, you know, a little easier. I do recommend this variety for new beginners because, you know, when I first started out, I didn't know about hand pollinating or the requirements for bees to, you know, pollinate from the male to the female flowers to produce a full cucumber. So, but yeah, still have some forming. This one right here. Of course, I showed you guys that I thinned out my carrots in my maintenance Monday video, and then I also decided to plant some more seeds like in between the first and second row. So, and then next Monday I'll probably film me thinning out the third, well yeah, technically the third row that I planted. My bell pepper is it's doing its thing also. Got some flowers in here. I'm trying to see if I want to take those off because I want the plant to continue to grow, you know. This is the jalapeno right here. It's doing pretty good. Got some flowers on here. I always like to plant jalapenos. And then this is a red bell pepper right here. The candy cane bell pepper, I'm trying to see if I have, oh yeah, I have a new flower right here. Because at first I was like, ooh, do I have any new flowers on here? So, but yeah, I definitely do. It's like one right here, another one right there, one right here. So yeah, it's just all about, you know, keeping your plants healthy and feeding them so that they can continue to, you know, provide growth and give you, you know, the vegetables. Tomatoes, they are really taking off, you guys. I really don't want to prune them. I decided to grow some flowers in here also. I'm trying to see if I want to keep these. I don't even know what these are going to be. I don't think I need two, but we'll see. I'm not going to mess with it. Let it do its thing, but definitely have some more flowers coming in this raised bed. This is the cherry red tomato plant. It's doing pretty good. A lot of leaf action. I may, in my next maintenance Monday, have to prune some of the leaves off, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just giving you guys an update and fertilizing today. But yeah, and then this is the spearmint. The spearmint is taking off, you guys. I remember when it was just this small, and now it's getting a little bit bushier. But I do plan on, you know, keeping it a certain size. So, and then this is the basil. I'm not sure why. I need to take this off. I'm not sure why. I don't know what. I'm not sure why it has like black spots on them, but I usually just take them off. The borage is doing okay back here. You can see the borage, and then of course these are my garlics. My garlic right here. I wish they would be standing up a little bit more, but it's okay. Some more garlic right here in front of this in front of the candy cane bell pepper. Don't ask me why I put it in front. I don't know. And then these two, well, this one is the Juliet Roma grape tomato plant. Definitely have some, I have some flowers coming in, so I'm excited about that. But I don't know what to do about how tall it is. It's reaching my support that I provided for it. So comment below what you guys think I should add to these plants, because they are about to outgrow these stacks that I provided for them. Of course, I'm gonna tie it up, but it's like, yeah, this plant is like already above the stack that I have for it. So I don't know if I should add another one, and I don't know how to do it. just nothing is coming, no ideas are coming to me. And then these two plants are the same variety. I wanted to show you guys how the plant is already making another tomato plant right here. So I'm gonna leave this on there so that it, you know, can produce some more tomatoes for us. And then of course this one as well, one down here at the base, and I'm gonna cover that up eventually. So yeah, one is forming right here, and then another one is forming right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tie these back so that it's not running into, you know, some of the other plant over here. But or I may just have to prune off some of the leaves. I don't want to, but I like a nice amount of leaves, as you all probably know. But I have some flowers coming in on these. These are the, what are these? The red beefsteaks. These two plants right here. This plant, not so many flowers just yet, but this one has started to form some flowers. If I can find it, well, the flower buds. Here's like some right here. You see that right there. And it's some more somewhere else. And my yellow cherry decided to grow a little taller, so I'm gonna have to tie this up also. I feel like I need to get this plant a little healthier because it's still getting some type of blight on it. So yeah, but I mean, it's producing some flowers also. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of varieties in here that, you know, we can get some tomatoes from. So I'm super excited. And then for my other herbs, this is the sweet mint right here. This is the progress thus far. And then my lemon balm, you guys, has really taken off. If you go back to the video where I showed you that I was planting herbs, these are the plants that I planted. Planted this one, the lemon balm, and this one into this raised bed. Yeah. Oh my gosh, like, you guys, if you don't smell nothing else, I want you guys to smell this. Oh my gosh, like when you rub your fingertips on it, oh my gosh, it has a strong, sweet lemon smell to it, and it smells oh so good. Like, this is probably one of my favorite herbs, to be honest. Now, what I'm going to use it for, I don't know, maybe just to rub and sniff. I want to tie these up, but I can't find my twine. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, here's some more right here. Some more flower buds. These are the two fertilizers that I'm going to be using, or the liquid fertilizer that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to mix the two. So I'm going to apply my fertilizers, my liquid fertilizers, the kelp, and then a little of the fish in here. And then apply my water. I'm going to go ahead and bring it to the watering section. And the reason why I mix these two is because they actually have a fertilizer with a fish and a kelp mixed together. So I was like, well, hey, let me try it. I have these two fertilizers, and, you know, let me try to mix the two to save some time for my plants. So that's what I'm doing today, just mixing the fish fertilizer and the kelp together and seeing how that does for my vegetables. Let me give you guys an update for the seedlings. This is my cabbage right here. I also decided to, like I told you guys, grow some more Georgia collard greens, so I will have to thin these out eventually. But yeah, so this is the cabbage, this is the Georgia collard greens, and I have another one right here too, Georgia collard. And then these two right here are a different type of variety of cabbage that I'm growing, and then this is just another cabbage right there. And this one is the leaf blend lettuce, and this is the all year lettuce right here. I will have to go in and thin these out eventually. And then my spinach is doing pretty good. Move this out of the way. So they are coming up nicely. Now I have to thin those out. My onions, yeah, they still trying to come through. So I decided to plant the onions in these little trays this time, since it did not take in the raised bed. It looks like one is coming up right here. So I'm hoping that I will get, you know, some seedlings from all of these so that I can plant into my raised bed. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also you guys don't forget to hit the like button and share this video if you feel like someone else can benefit from the videos that I post. I will catch you guys in my next video. As always, happy gardening. Peace.